and services. Introductions. Email. Email, social networking, chats, blogs, and many more are the key tools used the communication. Without effective communications, collaboration is not as possible. You can collaborate with your business partners through the internet. Students from all over the world are connected to each other through that collaboration. In October 29, 1960, the first message was sent for the computer. In October 29, 1969, first was sent from computer on ARPANET. It was 1970 when the Ray Tomlinson invented and developed the electronic mail we know it today. Ray Tomlinson. Next, objective test. The objective of this chapter is know about the basics of emails and what is electronic mail, using emails and opening emails, and client mailbox and inbox, outbox, creating the sending any new emails and replying to email message, forwarding and the email message, sending soft copy, attachment, stamped messaging, and collaboration using smiley and internet adequates. Structure of emails. What is email? Email is a short electronic message. Electronic, it is service of the internet that is allowed to send and to receive the message at from anyone who finds the email address anywhere involves somewhere in the system required others receive recipient and online. One is reading here these chapters and the same time is in high speeds in common with the instant messaging, and only an ASCII text-only communication medium or internet email was extended by the multi-purpose internet mail extension MIME. MIME's full forms multi-purpose internet mail is extensions and carry text to character status of multimedia contents attachment international emails with internationalized emails address UTF-8. Using the UTF-8 is standardized, but is 2070 has not been the widely adopted. Communicating and through the email is most cost-effective communication. Most of the web-based email providers and ML providers and that you can keep record email that you receive and email account. You keep soft copy, e-copy, and your imported document attach your emails. And next, the structure of email address. Every email address has three main parts. First is an email address such as the xyz@gmail.com is made from the xyz account. Name of the symbol of the address domain, which is maybe domain name is gmail.com, and IP address in close and brackets. Account name at domain in the name.com is domain name. This is part of email address name of the server that hosts your emails. So that is domain name would always be of the com.com kind of anything from a standard domain and that is the extension and example org and net gov.con.in etc. and a server that it could be the free web based and small service providers, and just like the Gmail, Hotmails, and Yahoo. At a server may belong to a specific organization. For example, if you're working in the company named XYZ, the server name could be xyz.com. An account name is your name, and email hosting server may be host emails for one person, just millions of persons. All the email accounts named server have to be unique so that the server used can send emails various accounts without any confusions. And there cannot be two accounts with the same name on a server. Therefore, the try and xyz document are not possible to xyz.com. This xyz how xyz at yahoo.com is a possible account name is that part of before at a sign at the rate of sign refers to user owner of this email address. And sign that symbol is used to the email address and a separate account name from the domain name. That is part of email address that comes before the address is account name, and part of that comes after the domain name. This must be only one, and at the sign is the email address. It is address does not have this sign. It is not a valid email address. It is not a valid. Only the reading and the high speed. Email address is not case sensitive. This means does not matter whether you are right and address the appreciate an uppercase or lowercase and a mixed case, and that is the third term. So uppercase and it's a lowercase and a mixed case, and that's account name which is a case sensitive. This domain name is a never case sensitive, and this is next. Account name is cannot be longer than 64 character. Account name cannot be longer 64 characters. Or and using emails. Opening emails account, there are various web portals means that's websites, and this which will allow you can create free email account, for example www.gmail.com, www.yahoo.com, www.hotmail.com, www.readymails and .com and sms.com. Follow that is steps belong to create email account. Step 1, enter the URL address www.geo.com and Gmail home page will appear, and your.com that gmail.com, and it is meant that it is. Next topic, click a create account is a hyperlink. Step 2 is the click the create account is hyperlink doing as per twist and first page of the create account, and type third your first name or the first name text box top user time and the first name last name, and the fourth is the username text box is your name, use of the campus test or name is the appear before the gmail.com section the address username, and that you select your username already taken you ask choose a different one up purpose clicking the different text box in place, type your the preferred password into the passwords text box in that is a page there and type of the same password and confirm passwords and data of the password, and that is next. Enter account recovery option. Not is a mandatory. You can add this types of account recovery option to your email profile by adding the phone number. Type your phone number is the phone number text near the top of the page, and by adding a new recovery email address and new recovery address, type an email address into the recovery email address at text box and at the top of the page. Next, and that is step 8 is add your date of birth. Click the month and drop the box and select the month of year, birthday and type of the day and into days year. Next, and select the gender. I click the gender is drop down. The select one is the gender option in this resulting drop, and that is a click next. Tend to verify your phone numbers. If you added a phone number as a account recovery option, you can verify you're not doing the following. Click the send to promote it, and even password is sent to your mobile number. Open your phone text message. Open your message from Google, usually 5-digit number. Open the message from Google's. Usually 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers in that message. Email 6-digit number is into text box and the box in the Gmail, and click the verify. You can click the not draw the verifying the account recovery option. Now you can scroll down the click I agree. It was put on the term service website and page doing the accept term service and sign your Google accounts by viewing an email. And after the creation of email account, the user can assign the means that you can use hide the email account and mails enter your email ID, and that is also password. The password text box email ID. Click on the sign buttons. Next topic. If your email ID and password correct, an email account use that is open an account window. Usually the account context inbox display first as means the list of these emails in the sender name and that is information and receipt. And next just bring the cursor on the message. Click here when that is mail pointer. That cannot is hand mailbox, inbox and outbox. Mailbox, inbox and outbox, and mailbox is the container contain all the emails sent, received and certain email accounts. That inbox, outbox, sent items, deleted items and mix. Inbox is a place where all incoming emails in store. It is incoming inbox, and the received relationship table recording to date. Outbox place where the sent data is stored until the not fully sent. There is on the section named the sent mail and can is not fully the delivered emails, and a difference one is the outbox and which is a pending delivery and not is sent, whereas as sent box keep it list fully delivered. Emails outbox given the opportunity use the received, edit and delete messages before they are sent. Next, a draft. It is place where the message composed but not sent, where not queued at is sent over words, and what is message composed at junks. It is the where fake and spam kind of mails contain virus, malware, spyware, or do the stealing data kind of activity store. It is the email client application relies and the sort of which a put root inbox which is to sent items. It is a place where all the delivered mails are listed, deleted items trash, and it is the sent item. It is a place where the delivered mails are listed. Delivered items. It is a place in the mailbox where all the deleted emails are stored, to which you reuse, send, forward, append, that depends. Next, creating and sending an emails. Say step and describe you the creating email section. You can use the Gmail website to send email on computer, and go to the http/www.your the computer web browser, and this open your Gmail inbox, your log. Otherwise, enter your email address and password and promote it. Next, click the compose. It is a compose side your the Gmail box. Enter window when new message windows launch right to corner of the page and lower right corner of the page. Compose. Next, it's a click to take out the recipient text box top of the new message window when that is the email address and the and that is when we want to send your email add to multiple ads. Address the type of the first email address, press tabs and repeat with the other mail address. And if you can CCC and BCC, and that is that click and that BCC link to your right side, that the text type of the email address BCC and BCC, and that is the to the section of which write and recover receiver email address. This is the carbon copy. CC means the carbon copy. When I need to send same message anyone in that is right, send the one email is messages, and section but is section of known is about receivers and bot is them too. And BCC blind carbon copy, same as a cut CC, but is not known as anyone that is had received this emails. And subject, it is a header of the email message which is concludes the entire theme of the email. It is optional to write. You must write a subject to email comes under the netiquette. Send, it is command used to send a mail message. Finally, the to CCC BCC subject and sends. Step 4, add as subject. Click to subject text and then type of the whatever you want to subject to email to be. And step 5, in the last text to the subject that is type whatever you want to email message. Format your email text is needed to want to apply the formatting. Your is a bold, italics, bullet points. Select to text which you want to apply the formatting. Then click one of the formatting options button to of the email window. Step 7, attach a file. You like the address file is a computer, click the attachment icon and the button window, the select the file you want to upload and click open the choose on the Mac. Next, if you can add a photo resume on a file in this way, select any photo which you want to send and click on the upload buttons. Click send. Step 8, send window, send your email the specified email, the email that is address. Replying to email message. Reply means to answer an email received, and when email has been sent by the person, it can be answered with this following process. Step the first, you open your Gmail account, then will see the Gmail inbox. Select your email, click on the email which you want to respond. This will be open, and this is click the reply arrow at the top right corner, and you will the screen file you that is type your reply this specific person who send email but you want. Next, and to reply on the group email, instead of click and write reply and reply to the drawn down menu, it is the response to send the recipient. Next, it is the blue button is below the button left side reply field. Click and send button. Forwarding email message, you can automatically forward your message and to another address. You can use that address for forward all new message, just certain ones. Not you can only set up the forwarding in computer, not is a Gmail app where you not message forwarded, spam would be included. Turn automatic forwarding on off. Turn automatic forwarding on or off. Turn automatic forwarding on your computer. Open your Gmail using the account you want to forward message from. You can only forward message for a single Gmail address, not email group address, and it in the top right setting. And click the forwarding POP IMP, that is forwarding POP IMAP, type in the forwarding section, illegal forwarding addressing. Enter the email and address you want to forward message. To click that is process that verification message will be sent you. That just click that verification link in the message and verify the message. I go back to setting for the Gmail account and want to forward a message from and refresh your browser. Next, click the forwarding pop MRP tab and forwarding section, forward copy of incoming mail to forwarding, and forward a copy incoming mail to the forwarding. And choose what you want to happen. That is email copy your emails. Recommend keep mail copy inbox, and that's it. At bottom of page up, click save changes and save changes on your turn off the automatic forwarding on your computer. Gmail user account, you want to stop forwarding message from, and top right to setting, click up the forwarding POP and some IMP tabs, POP and IMP tabs, and that is a searching email searching email. Open email in the search at that space, right what you are looking, press enter, and you will find a message looking at the try inside the searching bar of the down arrow and okay, it is open so page and more ways to the filter your search results. If you are searching by the label's name, by trust to subject, sender word keywords and users operating, this is filters results and attaching the files in email. Go to the Gmail, click and compose like the attach and choose the files and want to upload. Click open the tip and add result to creating the end to the compose window. Remove attachment, write to the attachment name like the choose send attachment with this confidential mode. Send attachment with the confidential mode. If you are using Gmail at that school, that or work school account, contact your admin to make sure can be confidential mode. Go to Gmail, click compose and click attach your files and want to upload in the button right to window to turn off the confidential modes. And if you are already turned as confidential mode as email, that is bottom of the emails, and then click edit, set as expiration date of the passcodes and set an expiration date of passcode. This is setting impact both that is if you choose a recipient use the Gmail top and that is passcode, Gmail will not get email counted. Nope. And that you choose a SMS passcode and recipient passcode by text messaging, and sure enter the recipient phone number, not your own, and save. After click save, and attachment size limit you can send up to 25 MB in attachment. 25 MB in attachment. If you have more than one as attachment, then it can add more than 25. If your file greater than 25, Gmail automatically adds Google Drive link and Google Drive link and email instead including attachment your recipient, and that you remove from Drive. Next, email signature. An email signature is text like your contact information or the favorite quote that is automatically added into the Gmail and message or as a footer. Message as a footers. Add or change your signature. You can put as 1,000 characters. 1,000 characters in your signature. Open Gmail in the top right setting, and in the signature section use the signature text go. If you want your format your message and adding the image, changing your text style at the bottom is that is save changing. Add a signature if you are using the send mail as features. Send mail features, and the features sent to from different address in accounts signature address. The top to select an address, use a drop and drop the menu above the signature text of the setting page and select address, and open the account and import setting page. Click check the your address and let's say that send mail as the section social networking e-commerce. Next topic, social networking e-commerce. Social network is website that brings people together, talk, share ideas, interests, make new friends, and this type of the collaboration sharing known as the social media. Social networking played a vital role in e-commerce. Next, example of social networks: Facebook, www.facebook.com, and the most popular social networking website on the internet. Facebook popular destination users to set a personal space and connect with the friends, share recipients, and that is about your doing. Facebook's and classmates, where classmate.com, one of the largest and most used website connecting the people who is granted and high school and allows you to keep the touch with them any future tradition. And that is google.com, the latest social network is serving from the Google. Instagram, www.instagram.com, a mobile photo sharing service and application available and iPhone, Android, and it is a phone platforms. LinkedIn and www.linkedin.com, one of the best if not a best location, connect with the current and past co-worker and potential future employer. Twitter, another fantastic service, allows it is 140 characters. It means learn it along posts and their phones and that internet fantastic way that is got what is going in around the world. And YouTube, an excellent network of user posting video blogs and fun and exciting videos. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Facebook is the American company and founded to something Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook is the American company that is 2004, founded by Mark Zuckerberg and Eduardo Severin, Dustin Moskovich, and Chris Hughes, all of whom were the student Harvard University. Allows sharing text, photos, video by using the Facebook. You can stay the touch and you test your different activities. Next, how to create account of Facebook. Go to Facebook app, PSP, enter your name and as mobile number, phone number, password, date of birth, and render. Click a click account. Facebook and that Twitter, and Twitter was created by Jack Dorsey, Noah. Twitter is created by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Big Jones, Evan Williams, by 2000 March 2006, and launched 12 July 2006. 12 July 2006. Twitter allows users to send a reply message. This type of messages are known as tweets and is a free social networking service that allows a registered number of the broadband, such as a postcard is a twist that the member of your twist and follow other user twist, and by using the multiple format devices twist and a reply to twist and send by the cell phone and text message desktop client post of the twitter.com websites. Next, on the Twitter, there are a few different types of tweets: general tweets and a message posted Twitter containing the text, photo, GIF, and that is video. Basically, that is tweets that do not start with the symbol, a mention. A tweet containing the another account Twitter produced by symbol, a hello agropulse, and replies. That is a tweet containing Twitter username proceed the address symbol and hello agropulse. Replies a reply when you respond another person tweet, you can respond another tweet from the inbox listening section of the inbox. LinkedIn and the professional social networking and site designed for business community, and LinkedIn and as a so registered members and members establish document networks and people. That is what the professionally upon December 2021 and launched by 5 to 20. Next, Instagram is a photo and video sharing social networking service owned by Facebook, created by the Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. And created by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, was relaunched by iOS October 2010. It was designed on mobile, uses assistance and user and photos and at a mobile device that is upload image instantly through the Instagram app. Like most social media site, as a mention, connect users with friend, family, child, colleagues, and other users with similar interests. To create an Instagram account from the computer, follow the step below. So go to Instagram, enter your email address, create a username, so passwords, and that is a click, and there's a Facebook, sign in with your Facebook accounts. Instagram, if you register with the email, click a sign up. If you register with Facebook, you are the promote log with the Facebook and account, you are currently logged. It's next. Third, if you sign with the email, make you enter the email address correctly. Just choose to email address, can you address at that is forget password. You will be able to access your email yet is into your Instagram account. Instant messaging, WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger and Telegram. Instant messaging technologies type of online offer real-time transmission and internet short message are totally transmission between the two parties each other choose and complete in the third selection. Mr. IM application, that is a technology provide a real-time and transmit character, and that is the file transfer, clickable hyperlinks, voice cable, IP, video chat, letter, some of state messaging application. Next, WhatsApp was founded by Jan Koum and Brian Axon, and founded that is by the Jan Koum. It was initially released in January 2009, and January 2009 it is a freeware cross-platform and messaging and device over that VIP service on the Facebook and other one. It is mobile based messaging application that you can download to your smartphones and use to easily send text, video and audio message to other people mobile phones. Facebook Messenger, it is a mobile apps that is enable chat, voice of the video communication between the social media site, web based messaging, smartphone specific abilities varies according to the user's device and geographic location. And Messenger available for the iOS, Android, Windows 10 and BlackBerry device and connect through the Wi-Fi or the mobile data flow. Next, Telegram, it is a cloud-based messaging and voice over IP service developed by the Telegram LLP. London Telegram was launched 2013 and the Russian entrepreneur Pavel Durov, and that is brother Nikolai, and Telegram client, and yes, that is let Android, and that is Windows Phone, Windows 90, MX OS, and Linux through the application. and the use of the send and message of photo, videos, or status, or even the files and any of the 1.5 gigabytes is size per file. Next introduction of to blog. The term web blog was coined by the John Berger in December 17, 1997, short from language corner in the Peter Merholz blog, and published news receiver and discuss the produce and the other update. An excellent way to the communicate online, and that is the interest in particular history and industry of topics. Next, a person who is a blog, so where is the blogger known as blogger, and web blogger, blogging is the act of the posting content on the blog. There is some popular website which are blog service from the Joomla, WordPress.com, and Drupal, Blogger, Tumblr, Wavely, and the basic of the e-commerce. E-commerce refers to commercial transaction conducted online. This means the web. Whenever you buy or sell something using internet, you are involved in commerce, online retail, and the commercial. But 24 hours are built in the globe, each of the case and each of the type of e-commerce model. There are four main types of e-commerce model that describe almost every transaction that is takes place between consumer business, B2B, business to business. Now a day B2B service very important, that is useful, and business plus paid B2B, and you like kind of commerce and with your companies doing the business and each other. Example, manufacturing and selling the product, whilst a wholesaler, the wholesaler are selling the retailers. B2C, business to consumer. In this is what most people think when they hear e-commerce. B2C, business to computer, consists of business selling the general public through the shopping software without editing and the human interaction. And example of this would be Imagine.com. Next, C2B, consumer to business. In this, business would pass a project, it get a set as a budget online individual or this companies, and the bid of the and with a bid on the project. The consumer reviews the bid of say selects and a suitable company according to his requirement. C2C, consumer to consumer. This type of e-commerce is made of online classified forum where the individual can buy and sell their goods. Bank system like the PayPal. That example of this of the eBay or OLX. And that's next is a net equities. Net equity refers to internet. Internet is etiquette, and this simply means use of good manner in online communication such as email, forums, and blogs, social networking site. In the name view, it is important to use an etiquette because the communication online non-verbal. Next, below is the rules of the follow for good neighbors. Avoid posting inflammatory and offensive. Don't use up offensive language. Use clear symbol language. I use smiles to express the emotions while writing the message. Do not uppercase letter because of consider shoutings. Respect is enable spam other to sending large amount of unsolicited emails. Don't trust other when you are new about replying to negative comments with the more negative comments. Respect other privacy by sharing the personal information, photo, videos, of another person may not be want to publish online. Next, don't troll people web forums or website comment or repeated and nagging on the anonymous them. Well, using the emails clearly mention the attachment subject sent to only, and that is well overview of the e-governance service like the railway reservation and passport, e-hospital, ORS. This is the most efficient and successful medium between the government and people, where the person is connect to government through the e-governance, know about the status, land application, domicile certificate, in income certificate, status of the scholarship, status of government of the functioning working in the village, block, district government orders. And the primary delivery models of government can be divided into citizens to citizen, consumer. G2C model applies to strategies, customer relationship management, CRM, customer relationship management with a business concept by the managing the other relationship with the citizen. Government can provide a needed produce service and fulfilling that is a customer. And the government to business, B2C to online the non-commercial interaction between the and the people to provide business information, also advice about the business and about business. Government to government, G2C countries and online the non-commercial interaction. And what's that is government to implies, G2 that is the best effective way online interaction between government to implies. E-governance retail reservation, e-governance retail tickets E-governance in railway tickets become very useful general public by IRCTC and a portal anyone reserves does not call ticket unreserved tickets. Only when they need to pay the amount that is no payment gateway. Railway Ministry and launched the under reserved ticketing system UTS unreserved ticketing system through app in January 2019. Next, passport. A passport is essential travel document. Those is that traveling abroad, education, tourism, pilgrims, medical attendance, business and purpose family visits. Passport seva enables simple, efficient and transport procedure and delivery of passport and related service apart from the creating countrywide networks environment for the government stop integrates with the state police and physical verification of applicant credential and India's post for delivery of passport. Uh, and the document are required applying the passport, identity proof, marriage certificate optional, address proof, address proofs, and bank transaction settlement, date of birth proof, utility bill, and such electricity bill, iPhone 10 pass certificate, and ESNR category, and a bill cash connection bill. As e-hospital virus, online registration system is an online registration framework that are taking OPD appointment is government hospital across the country. It is Aadhaar based online registration and the appointment system where the counter OPD registration appointment system through the hospital management information system. Hospital management information system when the application has been posted could be service NIC portal facilitate and monitors the various department different hospital EKYC number of not registered with VID with the patient name. New patient will be appointed well. The unique health identification UHID UHID of the unique health identification number. Aadhaar number is already linked with the UHID number and appointment number is given the UHID. Next, accessing e-governance service on mobile using the Umang app. Unified mobile application for new e-governance Umang defined unified mobile application for new age governments. New governments was a single platform for all the citizens to access the PAN, India governance service, ranking and central local government and other citizen central services. Umang intend to provide major service offer central and state government, department, local bodies and utility service provided organization. It provide unified and as a product where the citizen can visit an application and avail and multiple government service. Umang is a digital India Initiative, Ministry of Electronic Information Technology. Next, method to register Umang that you can register Umang through the following service: web http://umang and mobile app that is the Umang. However, you can that is Umang service through IVR and SMS. Not only the particular service that is available. MFLs pull SMS, IVR, and respective department provide their service SMS and IVR channels. After installing, launching the Umang app to complete register, register Umang app using the mobile number. Next, you can access service by clicking the service card that is home page of app. This is a sort filter option. The service categorized type of the SOMES form of the status as calling customer care. Umang call customer 1800 5246 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for all days week. Email customer care at umanggov.in. Next, digital locker. Digital locker and the DigiLocker service launched by Government of India February 2015 and provide a secure, dedicated personal electronic space of storing personal electronic space electronic document in a system. The storage space maximum 1 GB linked to the Aadhaar number of the user. It is online digital media storage service. And next, signing up the digital locker easy. All you need your mobile number. Your mobile number will be authorized by sending OTP one-time password followed by the selected username password. This will create a digital locker account. After you the digital locker account is successfully created, that is you are the actually provide your Aadhaar number UID avail the additional service. Next is something important for an internet is company and internal web of the UTC, TCP, IP, HTTP, other the internet protocols. It is the main objects. It is share the company information about the compliance. Extranet is a web within the extranet is the collaborative networks use the internet protocols and the business purpose. Next, email and website transmit through the internet extract everything has gone electronic. Next, billions of email messages are sent throughout the world today. It is the cheapest and convenient than any other forms of communication like the telephone or fax. Moving from that one website to another is called a browsing. Moving from one website to another is called a browsing. Post office protocol version POP3. Post protocol version POP3 has two modes of the delete mode and the keep mode. Keep mode. Next, mail access stored client when the user notice the download email for the mailbox. FTP user service TCP and NBT stand for network virtual terminal. In email we need to the VS2 pairs of the MTA when the senders connect to the server that when the convenient place to store connect information quick retrieval at spoke messenger mailbox is and the present is the Netscape communication. Next, the email component Internet Explorer Outlook Express, the program supplied by BSNL, you are the internet connection for the inter and the find. This simple protocol use of fetching and that is mailbox is a POP3 and the SMTP simple TCP protocols. The telnet protocols assume each of the connection client and server network virtual terminal NVT. NVT means the network virtual terminal. To use a telnet most host source you will need to be address internet. Host of internet is provider of news. Thank you very much to end of the chapter email, social networking and e-governance services. Thank you. Next time to meet you.